Hello everyone. Listen up. We are talking about the Madras School of Economics. This is not just a college, it's an endurance test. And they offer that fancy 5-year integrated MA. You can exit after the 3 years with a BA honors or stay for a 4th year for the research. So it's like a marriage with a very clear agreement. Okay? So if we, Dr. Sourav's classes, we are officially launching our crash course for this exact examination. Why? Because while others teach you formulas, we will teach you how to read the examiner's mind. So let's dive into this question first. The question says, in a club of 80 members, 10 members play none of the games tennis, badminton, and cricket. 30 members play exactly one of these three games, and 30 members play exactly two of these games. 45 members play at least one of the games among tennis and badminton, whereas 18 members play both tennis and badminton. So determine the number of the cricket playing members. Okay, this is a very nice question. So, before we solve this, let's talk about the theory. In said theory, the world is divided into the people who do things and the people who just watch. Okay. Now, most of the students see tennis and badminton and immediately think like T intersection B. But in the competitive examination, you must distinguish between the exactly two and the at least two. Exactly two is what? The petals of the flower without the center, and at least two is what? The petals plus the center. Okay, so if you confuse this, your marks will exit the paper faster than a student existing the MAC after 3 years. Okay, so let's look at the data first. We have a club of 80 members. Right, now think of it as an elite club where if you don't play a sport, you are basically invisible. Now total is what? U is 80, none is what? 10. Therefore the people who play at least one game is what? 80 minus 10, that is 70. So mod of T union B union C will be what? 70. Now the problem gives us exactly one game, E1, that is 30. Exactly two games, E2, 30. And we know that total is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3, where E3 is exactly 3. So 70 is equal to 30 plus 30 plus E3. So E3 is what? 10. So 10 people are overachievers who play all the three games. Right. Now the problem says 45 members play at least one of tennis or badminton. So we can say that T union B is definitely 45. And if the total active people is 70 and those involved in tennis or badminton is 45, who are the rest? Only cricket? Right. So total active T union B, that is 70 minus 45, that is 25. Okay. Now we are told that T intersection B, that is 18. This includes the people playing only tennis and badminton and the people playing all the three. So we know all the three. E3 is 10. So exactly tennis and badminton is what? 18 minus 10, that is 8. So we know E2, that is the exactly two games, is 30, and E2 is what? exactly T and B plus exactly T and C plus exactly B and C, right? So exactly T and C and exactly B and C is what? 22. Now look at what makes up the cricket team. Total cricket team is what? Total cricket, that is 25 plus 22 plus 10, that is 57. Now why is this solution is simple? Because we did not use the massive formula, that is A union B union C is summation of mod of A minus summation of A intersection B plus A intersection B intersection C, right? So if you use this in the examination, you will finish the question just in time for your retirement party. Okay, so always look for what is missing. By subtracting T union B from the total, we found the only cricket in 2 seconds, and in MSc the time is money, literally, since it's an economic school. Okay, so 57 members play cricket. They probably spend their time discussing Sachin Tendulkar while the others are sweating over badminton. So if you found this logic easier than your last breakup, so you need to be in our MSc crash course. Okay, so we don't just solve math, we dismantle it, and we cover everything from the micro to macro to this brain tickling quantitative aptitude option. Okay, so don't just aim to pass, aim to dominate. Okay, so join Dr. Saurav's classes and let's make sure that exit option in year 3 is something you choose to ignore because you are having too much fun. Okay, so see you in the next session, guys. Till then, bye bye.